Here's an overview of the FOXPRO XWAVE. It comes standard with a rechargeable lithium battery pack and charger. It's a 4-speaker unit that utilizes our XHD design. It has 2 horn speakers and 2 tweeters. The speakers are movable for directional sound. The unit comes with 100 sounds and will store up to 1,000 sounds. This is your power on-off switch that doubles for your volume setting in local mode. You have a charge jack, 2 external speaker jacks, auxiliary jack, sound selector buttons for local mode, and your Bluetooth on-off switch. The XWAVE comes standard with our popular TX1000 remote. To operate the XWAVE in remote mode, power on the collar and the remote, navigate to your desired sound category, choose your sound, and select your volume level with the volume up and down buttons. The TX1000 offers tons of great features, including user-friendly navigation, a full-color graphic LCD screen, a barometer indicator, moon phase indicator, temperature indicator, and much more. The XWAVE is Bluetooth compatible, allowing you to play sounds and music directly from your phone. The XWAVE also comes standard with Fox Bang, Fox Motion, Fox Fusion, Fox Pitch, Fox Data, Fox Cast, and Auto Volume. For detailed information on these great features, visit the Fox Features section on our website. The FOXPRO XWAVE comes standard with a 5-year limited warranty and is proudly made in the USA.